to another video. Today we are in Burlington doing some last minute shopping. Just thought I'd bring you all along to see what they have going on in here. This is a pretty big Burlington store location. So yeah, picking up a few things. Just a few things, won't be out too long. Feels good inside the store. It's extremely hot. It's been really hot the last few days. I think it was what, like 102 yesterday, so it's probably around that today. So just out getting these last few things, and that'll be it for us. So, thought I'd bring you all along with us. So just continue watching, see what all we find in this store. That's too big. Oh, that's too big. Oh, that's extra large. That's too big. No, it's too big. They might have another one. They're not in that size. What about this one, dear? Why I gotta be somebody else's face? That's what I don't understand. So, that was too big anyway. So you gonna check the smalls or just? So yeah, how much of those? How much? So $8. This one $8. $8. That's it. You saw this one? Oh, but this is not you. Remember. What is that? Oh, that's arrow. I thought it's that afro. Oh goodness. Time to be ready to go. We get caught up in stuff like this, smelling stuff and smelling candles, and he'll be over it quick. But I didn't have to come out today, so he wanted us to come out, so we have to deal with. Put the top on this. You ain't smelled none yet. It smells pretty good. What about this one? Maybe. How's this one?
It's at airport.
Oh, okay. I'm not focusing on it. Friend was telling me about ginger chews. I've never had them, so give them a try. And these have a red sticker, so why not? Came over to smell candles and I'm not purchasing any. I have a bunch of candles, so I don't need any. My daughter doesn't believe I can keep my word, but I will show her just smelling. Not bad. It smells good. Cozy cashmere. It smells pretty good. Oh yeah, it's real clean. It smells good. And this one is $5.99. Let's see what cinnamon pecan. It's a little too sweet for my liking. Let's see what this autumn air. It smells good. It seems like it was autumn air. Smells alright. Okay, let's see. Let's smell one more. Harvest berry. Grateful. What was apple cider? I don't know if I smell that one. Let's see. Which one? So far, cozy cashmere. That's good. It smells good. Amber musk. Like that one. I said wrong one, but I need to smell a good one now because I don't like that one. Let's see. What was this? Western Brook. We can find another one about Western Brook. Let's see. Let's do this one. Farmer's Market. And satin shine. It smells sweet too. Alright. So smell more than I thought I would want to smell. But so far, cozy cashmere. It smells really good. I like this one. Western Brook. The favorite. Didn't have too many to choose from. But cozy cashmere smells the best.
No, it don't smell like that. Maybe the can was in the booty.
Just, so silly. They took the top off of this. What is this? Brooklyn Fragrance Company, Japanese cherry blossoms. It's, when they pull the top off, it smells horrible. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it stinks. See, this is the type of silly stuff that we do. See, like, oh my gosh. What do you think there? That is the way. Anything else about?
Okay. Take them back. I'll take them back.